VoltCore Energy Saver is marketed as a plug-in device that claims to reduce your electricity bill, stabilize your home's power supply, and improve energy efficiency simply by plugging it into a wall socket. The claims sound impressive, but the real question is, should you believe the marketing? Now, to be fair, power factor correction is a real electrical concept used in some commercial and industrial settings. However, that doesn't mean a small plug-in device will significantly reduce electricity costs in a typical home. What it does well: simple to install. Most units only require plugging into a standard wall outlet. May include surge protection. Some models offer basic protection against minor power fluctuations. Where the hype falls apart, it won't dramatically reduce your electricity bill. For most households, there's little credible evidence that plug-in energy savers produce significant savings. Power factor correction isn't the same as using less electricity. Most residential electricity meters bill based on energy consumption, not power factor. Marketing often exaggerates the results. Claims of cutting electricity bills by 30%, 50%, or even more are generally not supported by independent testing. So, should you buy the VoltCore Energy Saver? Short answer: probably not if you're expecting major savings. If you're buying it because you believe it will dramatically reduce your electricity bill, you're likely to be disappointed. Your money is usually better spent on proven energy efficiency improvements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.